Hey, what's up guys? Vic here, welcome back. Today, we're diving into biotech innovations that could actually extend human lifespan. These are real breakthroughs happening right now, with the potential to change how long and how well we live. From gene editing to lab-grown organs, we're pushing the boundaries of aging and maybe even slowing it down. Buckle up as we break down 7 groundbreaking biotech innovations and what they could mean for our future. Let's kick things off with CRISPR, a technology that's been making headlines for its potential to transform medicine and biology as we know it. CRISPR is a revolutionary gene editing tool. Think of it as molecular scissors for DNA. It allows scientists to precisely snip, add, or alter sections of genetic code, opening up possibilities that were once the stuff of science fiction. With this technology, scientists can now cut, remove, or replace faulty genes that cause diseases like Alzheimer's, certain cancers, and heart conditions. This means we're not just treating symptoms anymore, we're going after the root causes at the genetic level. Clinical trials are already underway for diseases like sickle cell anemia, and early results are promising. Patients who once faced a lifetime of pain and complications are now seeing real improvements, sometimes even remission. This isn't just theory. People are already benefiting. For some, gene editing has meant a new lease on life, with fewer hospital visits and a brighter outlook for the future. Of course, editing the human genome raises big ethical questions, and we're still learning about long-term effects. Who gets access to these treatments? How do we ensure safety and fairness? These are debates happening in labs and boardrooms around the world. But if we can target the root causes of aging at the genetic level, we might delay or prevent many age-related diseases. Imagine a future where conditions like dementia or heart failure are far less common, simply because we've edited out the genetic triggers. Somatic editing, fixing genes in specific tissues, means more targeted therapies with fewer side effects. Instead of altering every cell, we can focus on the organs or systems that need help most, making treatments safer and more effective. Some researchers are even exploring ways to enhance natural cellular repair, boosting resilience as we age. By strengthening our cells' ability to heal themselves, we could slow down the aging process and extend healthy lifespan. Imagine giving your cells a tune-up so they run smoothly for longer. This could mean more energy, better health, and a higher quality of life well into old age. CRISPR could help us not just fix what's broken, but optimize what already works. We might one day enhance our natural abilities, making our bodies more resistant to disease and stress. That's the kind of innovation that could change everything, ushering in a new era where rewriting the code of life isn't just possible, but part of everyday medicine. Next up, let's talk about senolytic drugs, a new frontier in the science of aging. As we get older, our bodies start to accumulate what scientists call senescent cells. These are cells that have stopped dividing, but instead of dying off like they should, they linger in our tissues. Over time, these zombie cells build up, releasing harmful chemicals that trigger inflammation and damage nearby healthy cells. Normally, our immune system would clear out these dysfunctional cells, but as we age, this process slows down. Senolytics are a class of drugs specifically designed to seek out and destroy these lingering cells, helping to restore a healthier cellular environment and allowing our bodies to repair themselves more efficiently. In laboratory studies with mice, removing senescent cells has led to some remarkable results. Not only did the mice live longer, but their organs and tissues functioned better, and they showed fewer signs of age-related decline. Now, human clinical trials are underway. Early results are promising, especially for conditions like osteoarthritis, lung disease, and even some forms of age-related frailty. Researchers are hopeful that these drugs could help people stay healthier for longer. What's truly exciting is that senolytics don't just target a single disease. Instead, they address a core process of aging itself, potentially impacting a wide range of age-related conditions all at once. Of course, there are still risks to consider. If too many cells are removed too quickly, it could lead to side effects like tissue damage or impaired healing. Scientists are working hard to find the right balance and dosing strategies. Still, this approach could represent a major shift in medicine. from simply treating the symptoms of aging to actually addressing the underlying biology that drives it. If senolytics prove effective and safe, it's possible that taking them could become as routine as taking a daily vitamin or supplement, helping people maintain their health and independence as they age. Imagine a future where regularly clearing out old, dysfunctional cells helps keep your body running at its best, allowing you to stay active, energetic, and healthy well into your later years. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting frontiers in modern medicine: stem cell therapy. This revolutionary approach is changing the way we think about healing and regeneration, offering hope for conditions that were once considered untreatable. Stem cells are remarkable because they have the unique ability to transform into almost any cell type in the body. This means they can potentially repair tissues and organs that have been damaged by aging, injury, or disease, something traditional medicine often struggles to achieve. Instead of simply managing symptoms, stem cell therapy aims to address the root cause by regenerating lost or damaged tissue. This could mean new hope for people with heart disease, spinal cord injuries, or degenerative conditions like Parkinson's. Clinical trials are already showing promising results. For example, some patients have regained heart function after a heart attack, while others have experienced restored vision after losing sight due to retinal disease. Researchers are also making breakthroughs in growing new cartilage for damaged joints and repairing retinal tissue to help those with vision loss. These advances could transform the lives of millions suffering from chronic pain or blindness. Of course, delivering stem cells safely and effectively is a complex process. There are still risks, such as immune reactions or uncontrolled cell growth, but the potential benefits are enormous and drive ongoing research. Imagine a future where we can replace worn-out tissues with fresh, healthy cells, essentially resetting the biological clock on certain organs and giving people a new lease on life. Scientists are also exploring ways to activate the body's own stem cells, encouraging natural repair processes from within. This could lead to safer, more effective treatments that harness our innate healing abilities. Ultimately, stem cell therapy is about unlocking the body's natural power to heal itself, moving us closer to a future where regeneration is possible for everyone. As we continue to push the boundaries of regenerative medicine, stem cell therapy stands out as a powerful tool in the fight against aging and disease, offering hope for a healthier, longer life. Let's dig into telomeres, the protective caps on our chromosomes. Every time a cell divides, telomeres get shorter, eventually stopping cell division and contributing to aging. Researchers are exploring ways to lengthen telomeres, giving cells more room to divide and function. Activating telomerase, an enzyme that restores telomere length, has shown promise in lab and animal studies. Short telomeres are linked to age-related diseases, so extending them could keep tissues healthier for longer. Human trials are just beginning, but there are concerns. Pushing cells to divide indefinitely could raise cancer risk. It's all about finding the right balance. Some companies already offer experimental telomere treatments, but mainstream use is still years away. If we crack telomere biology, we might slow or even partially reverse cellular aging. Now, artificial organs and bioprinting. Organ failure is a major hurdle in extending life, and donor shortages make transplants tough. Bioprinting uses 3D printers and your own cells to create living tissues, even organs, layer by layer. Lab-grown organs have already been implanted in animals, with human trials on the horizon. Custom organs could end waiting lists and rejection issues. Artificial organs, like hearts and lungs, are already saving lives, and the tech keeps improving. Printing complex organs is challenging, but labs have made functioning bone, cartilage, and skin. Imagine a future where organ failure is just another routine procedure. That's the promise of artificial organs and bioprinting. Let's talk personalized medicine. Thanks to AI and genomics, treatments can now be tailored to your unique genetic profile and lifestyle. This matters for longevity. Everyone responds differently to drugs, diets, and therapies. AI analyzes massive health data to help doctors choose the best therapies for each person. Cancer treatments are already being personalized, based on tumor genetics, leading to better outcomes. Pharmacogenomics means your doctor could prescribe meds based on your DNA, making treatment safer. Personalized nutrition and fitness plans could help prevent disease and optimize health. As this tech becomes more accessible, your entire healthcare experience could be designed just for you. That's good for longevity and quality of life. Finally, let's talk about your gut, the human microbiome. The trillions of bacteria in our bodies play a huge role in health, immunity, and even mood. As we age, our gut bacteria change, and certain profiles are linked to longer, healthier lives. Scientists are developing probiotics, prebiotics, and microbiome transplants to shift our gut bacteria for better health. Designer bacteria could one day act like tiny doctors, producing vitamins or breaking down harmful compounds inside us. Diet, exercise, and sleep all influence your microbiome, and personalized analysis is becoming more common. We're still learning, but taking care of your gut could slow aging and improve health. The microbiome is one of the most exciting and accessible frontiers in longevity. There you have it. 7 biotech breakthroughs changing how we think about aging and longevity. From gene editing to gut bacteria, these innovations are real and happening now. Which breakthrough excites you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments.